have a gasket, so making it out of paper. Fork, 2, 1 from AutoZone, and then the Totoya and the Hyundai. Civic. Oh shit, we got the car on the fucking lift. This is, yeah, that's that. Straight piped all the way, resonator right here. And then this rusty old bullshit aftermarket eBay muffler, 2.5 inch. Looks like everything is chill so far. Oh shit. Oh wait, hold on, it's getting stuck. Oh shit, it's gonna flip it over. No way! Straight! No fucking way! Yeah. Oh my god, that's gonna be the best part of the fucking video. That Velcro shit. Put that right there. I'm guessing we'll go with the O2 sensor port like pointed up, I'm assuming. Or does that really matter? Same shit. Gasket. Alright. Now I need 3 bolts to hold that up, so not sure what. Damn, bro, that shit looks good as hell.